Always trying to anticipate.
362.
Oh, we got going here.
362.
And change this to a DLC and clear SNR.
Well, that's a bummer.
2132.
We'll let you get a shot at it there. Clearly, somebody ran into the parking lot.
537, copy your map to the disorderly at 379 Annapolis for a report of a loud argument coming from the address.
And this call has been pending since almost just short of 9 o'clock.
What?
Yep.
Well, they must have called in with injuries later.
Bravo 534 UT.
Bravo 534, have a good night. 2133. $2,400, we're out at 1220 right. 2400. There is a car coming here, correct?
Affirmative, yeah, one from downtown as well as 269 from the west side.
Well, there's no particular rush. The one minor injury is the medic sapper, but there's 3 cars involved, 3 different owners.
Copy.
Five three two, I'll be out in a block.
532, I copy at 2138.
First one will be clear from Curtis.
Copy 2139. Chief of Medic, copy, taking the area 78298 Open Maryland Avenue for a 9-1 hang-up call at 2140.
525, I'm going to the LEC.
527, copy 2140. Five two five, copy, not to LAC at 2140. Five three seven, copy, took the 175 Charles Avenue on the DOC at 2140.
Squad 532.
Okay, fortunately, this accident, there appears to be minor injuries. The driver of the car that had struck a car that had just parked and knocked that car into that pickup truck you see there. The driver of the striking car doesn't speak English, appears to have minor injuries, but fortunately there's someone who's able to translate for the medics and for the St. Paul officers who is here on scene.
That big tall guy there is Chris Parsons. I don't know if he's still the president. It's fitting we'd run into him because Dick Leitner, the former president of the union, passed away. But the big tall guy there is Chris Parsons, and I know a lot of you want to know how tall that guy is. So when we leave here, we're going to ask him, okay? We're going to ask him, Chris Parsons, the firefighter president. Hey, Chris! You know, we're on live right now, so, you know, careful what you say, but all our viewers want to know how tall you are.
I'm 6'7".
6'7". Is he the tallest one that we got at the fire department?
No. No. Baby Huey is 6'8". Zollinger.
Baby Huey, 6'8".
Yeah.
How long's he been on?
Zollinger. Like 15 years.
15 years. All right. Well, start growing.
Yeah,
Eat your vegetables.
I'm shrinking it.
Great to see you again.
Yeah,
Thanks a lot.